Good morning, friends. In this video, we will learn what is custom post type and how to create custom post type in WordPress. In order to understand this, let's go to the WordPress admin. Now we are on the admin dashboard. Here we can see posts and pages. These two post types are default post types provided by the WordPress. Now, if we want to create our own post types, like you say teacher, student, books, in that case, these post types are called custom post types. That means any post types in addition to posts and pages, if we create these post types are called custom post types. So here we will create book post type. That means the name of the post types would be book. So before going to create custom post type, we will see what is the current theme that is activated now. Okay, here you can see themes, appearance themes. Then here we see 2020 theme, that is default theme provided by the WordPress. For now 2020 theme is activated, so we will create custom post types in 2020 theme. Before this, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel so that you can enjoy more upcoming videos. So please subscribe my channel and also press bell icon that is besides the subscribe button. So now we are going to create custom post type, and also for now we are using I am using localhost XAMPP server and as code editor Sublime Text 2. In order to create custom post type, we will go to theme folder, and our theme folder is inside in XAMPP and then htdocs. So I have already created shortcut to htdocs. So then inside htdocs, our project folder or root folder is virtual school. Inside this, we will go to WP content, then themes, and then 2020 theme. So currently we are using 2020 theme, and inside this, here it's a functions.php. So in WordPress, if we write some custom functions, then we use the code file functions.php. Functions.php is different from other template files like single.php, archive.php, in the sense functions.php directly communicates with WordPress core system, or we can say in in template file we write HTML and PHP both, I mean design code also, but in functions.php we write only PHP code. So let's open functions.php, and here at the end of functions.php file, in the end you can say after this curly brackets we will use some hooks. Hook is basically used to write custom code in custom functions in WordPress. So basically there are two hooks, add action and add filter. So add action is used to modify the function and add filter is used to modify contents. For details about hooks, add action and add filters, for this I will create another video, but in this video just basic I am giving basic overview because I am going to use add action hook. So just I am going to use add action. It's basically a method, or you can say function or tool provided by the WordPress. So it's a method function. So add action, then pair of parentheses and semicolon to end of this function. And this function takes two arguments. First argument is name of the action hook. So in order to create custom post type, we use the hook name in it, and then the second argument is the name of the function we are going to define. So for educational purpose we are going to give simple name and write, and we can say it create custom post, as you are going to create custom post type. And then here what does it do? So init is the hook, So at what moment create custom post function would be called by WordPress that decides this hook. This init hook tells WordPress that create custom post function whenever it is required, it is needed. So at what moment this function would be called? This init hook instructs to the WordPress, or init hook provides instruction to WordPress to call this function at that moment. Now we define this function. So for this we use the keyword function, then name of the function. Here we are going to copy this because if we type then there might be some spelling mistake. So just copy this since it's function. So pair of parentheses and then pair of curly brackets, because we write function definition in pair of inside pair of curly brackets. And here we call a WordPress function called register post type. Register post type, and since it's function, so pair of parentheses, then we close this using semicolon. This function register post type takes two arguments. First argument is name of the post type. Since we are going to create book post type, so name of the post type is book. I mean singular name is here, it's not books. And then the second argument is array of options that describes the custom post type. That means array, and inside this we will use associative array here. So this will take some parameters that describes the custom post type book. So first parameter we write public, and we assign this, just say true. And if we save it like Control S and then we refresh admin dashboard, then here we can see it's a post and pages. These posts and pages are default post types, and here we have created custom post types. So it's a posts here. Now we can see we need to rename it to our custom post type. So now we have created post type, so post is here, and now we need to change its name. So here it should be books. So we can see we have created our post type, but its name is, it's taking default name for now, that is posts. So now the next parameter is, we can say the, so for this the parameter is label, L ABEL label, and we assign this whatever name we want to keep. For now we want to give the name book because we are going to create book type post type. So just here we can say books. As you say here, it's a posts, capital P, and then it's plural, it's not post, it's posts here. So here it would be books, not book. So we just write here books and then Control S, we save it, and then we just refresh the browser. Here we can see the name has been changed. Now the next thing is, now you can see beside posts there is post icon, but beside books it's a default post icon. So we would like to change this icon to the book type icon. For this we have the parameter that we pass here is, we can say the parameter name is menu icon, menu underscore icon, and we assign this WordPress dash icons. There are many WordPress dash icons, like you can, so we can say just we will go to the Google, www.google.com, and here we search WordPress dash icons, and here we can see there are different icons there: admin menu icons, menu related icons, screen related icons. But we need to search here for book type icon, right? Icon. So let's see, is there any book icon? Here, yes, here we see it's a book icon is there. So just we click on it, and we need to copy this dash icons dash book. So we need to copy this text and just here paste this text, right? So and just we save it, and again we refresh the browser. I mean admin dashboard. So just control F5. Now we can see the text, I mean name of the post type is books, and also the icon is changed to books type icon. So now we can say we have created simple custom post type, but we would like to add some more, I mean drop down menu item, or you can some more options, like you can say in posts here it's all posts, add new. So we will add some basic options here, like all post, add new. So here it should be all books, add new. If we click on add new, then you can see it's a add new post here, but we want add new book. Like you can, since it's a book post type, so we'd like to add here, it should be displayed here, add new post. So for this we add some more parameters, but you can see it's a label here. So label is singular because we are using just, we have used only one name, and that is books. But I would like to use here more names. So the labels, or you can say in different way, we need to use more labels. So label, we make it label to labels, and then we create array of labels. So you can say just we are writing, we are typing array, and then inside array you can say pair of parenthesis. So the first name is, so the first you can say parameter would be name, and we are giving again creating associative array, so name value pair. So we will assign something to name, or it's better to write below for indentation purpose. So name, and we assign name to books. So simple, right here books, right? If we save it and then just refresh the browser, then again we can see the name of the post type is books here. And now we want to add, I mean add new post, so it should be add new book. So for this we are going to add another parameter, and the parameter name is add new item, and we assign it whatever we wish. For now, as we are for meaningful or some text that makes sense, we are writing add new book. If we save it and we refresh the browser, then we can see earlier it was add new post, now it is add new book, because we are expecting that, because it's a books post type. So now if we create some post here, So let's suppose we are creating a post and let's say basic math, and in description simply this is all about basic maths. And if we want to add some more text, then simply I have already copied lorem ipsum text, so we can write here lorem ipsum text. So just I am going to copy this and paste this here, and just we publish this. So we have created, I mean, new post. But what we see here, edit post. So here I mean to say, if you go on to books post type, here you can say it's a basic math, and if we edit this, then we see edit post is there, but it should be edit book. So we are going to add new parameter in that describes the custom post type, and here comma, and in associative array we write edit item, and we assign this to edit book. If we save this and refresh the browser, now we see earlier it was edit post, now it is edit book. Now we will add one more thing at basic level. You can see here, it's when we move our cursor to the posts, then it gives all posts, add new. So here if we move our cursor on books, it's in drop down we see books and add new. So here it should be all books. So for this we add one more parameter to the custom post type. So to our book post type, and the parameter name is all items, and we assign this to all books. And if we save it and refresh the admin dashboard on the browser, here we can see it's all books. Earlier it was books and now it is all books. So we have created custom post type, books type. So for it was just an example, I have just shown you to how to create a custom post type. You can create more post types like teachers, events, centers, libraries, whatever post type you wish you can create using this way. I mean, whatever way I have shown you, you can create custom post in this way. Now one thing I would like to say, like I have used here parameters like labels, name, add new item, public. So you would be thinking that do I need to remember these parameters? So you don't need to remember these parameters. For these parameters, just you can go to Google, and here it's WordPress dash icons. So we have seen how, where is the dash icons there. But if we want to see what are the parameters we need to add when we create custom post type, for this just search here register post type, register post type, and here you can see the first search item is developer.wordpress.org. This is official website for the documentation. If we open this, then we can see here it's a register post types, and you can see it's taking a string here, that is name of the post type we have already written or already typed. So and this is array of strings. So here array of strings means array of options that describes the custom post type. So here what are the parameters we are going to pass this array? So here you can see is the post type, and here is the list of parameters, like you can say label for singular name, labels for plural name, and then description public, we have used public. So there are many parameters that can use to create custom post type as per our need. So in this way we have completed how to create custom post type in WordPress. Here you can see we have created books post type. In next chapter, in next lesson, or you can say next video, we will learn how to display custom posts on front end. So let's see in next video. Thanks for now.